In this lesson, you're going to learn how to customize the quick access toolbar. In the previous lesson, I showed you how to find the quick access toolbar. But if you have forgotten, the quick access toolbar is the one which is on top over here. The quick access toolbar is used to place commonly used icons on top so that they can be reached quickly without going through the ribbon or going through the commands in the options menu. For example, right now we have the save, undo, and new icon. So if I want to add more shortcuts to the quick access toolbar, I need to click on the drop down arrow, and then I can add email, I can add spelling, I can add sort ascending, I can add touch and mouse mode. So let's say for this example, I just want to add the print preview and print shortcut. Once I do that, it is going to be placed over here. But let's say I want to add more options, but they're not listed over here. What I'm going to do is go to more commands, click on more commands, and once the Excel options open, you're going to see over this section is going to be written popular commands. Popular commands are the ones which are most people use to the more commonly used shortcuts placed by people across various places around the world. Let's say, for example, the copy command is one which is commonly used. Once I click on that, then I click on add, it's going to be listed. This one is already added, so I need to select another one. I can select the cut command and click add, and it's going to be listed. And if you notice something, this customized quick access toolbar is arranged from in the order that is placed on top of the home tab. The save is the first one, the undo is the second one, so they are arranged in the way they are placed on the quick access toolbar. If I want to move cut to be the first icon on the quick access toolbar, I select that one, then I go to this arrow, then click on up, 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 up. Then once I click on OK, the cut shortcut is going to be listed as the first icon in the quick access toolbar. But what if I want to add more icons? I simply go to the drop down arrow, click on more commands, then from the choose commands from, you can select commands not in the ribbon, all commands which are in the file tab, home tab, insert tab, draw tab, and all these tabs. So I can add whatever shortcut from whatever tab I choose by simply clicking maybe on the home tab. All the settings on the home tab are going to be listed over here, and if I want to create a shortcut, I simply need to click on one of them, click on add, and click on OK, and it's going to be on the quick access toolbar. And that is how you customize the quick access toolbar in your Microsoft Excel application. See you in the next lesson.